What's up, my nice and beautiful subscribers? What's up, wherever you are in the world? Jamaica is on the weather, and they say it's from the storm that's named Tommy. Yes, my people, Jamaica on the weather from yesterday. Rain start fall from us about 12:30 with me there. I mean, it could have fall places before that. You know, on and off, on and off, on and off. As you know, seen in the video, previous video. I mean, I tell you from morning, it a fall, you know. But me love it. Me love them type of condition, ya people. Me don't know why. Them condition are nice. Make you feel comfortable. And you see rush rain fall and stop, fall and stop. So if you have any little thing to go do, you can just read the pattern of the weather and just go do what you do and rush in back. Or if you have to go to a shop, you can go to a shop and come back with it ease up and cook your food and you're nice. Yeah. Sleep comfortable, no eat and no excess burning of current or burn AC and fan. Yes, my people, me like it. It's just that some people might get too much of the water we even want it and them end up a flood out or damage a cause. But me like it. But big up on yourself, all of my lovely, nice, clean people them. Real supporters, not fun. You understand? Cause who no mind can do without fun like all of them a time here you know. Where time cool and nice. You understand? Me I tell you, me like nice natural things. So me like me nice natural supporters. Me nice natural subscribers. Alright? And as me say, you know, me tell you in my previous video, nobody feel like someone can set me up. Yeah? Nobody feel like someone can set me up. And me, the next thing when me forgot to talk. You see someone who out there will have my number. Cause through my information, my number put out there now. And figure more or less so you can call me and record me, you not try it. Because me tell you already. No boy or girl can make me stoop to them. And anything me say me can back it. And me sure know me not go talk not the way me not supposed to talk. So anything me talk, anything me say me mean it. Anything me talk me say me mean it. Who know that TJ there? Yeah man. So nobody feel like you can come call me and a decay way like you supporter, you know. We don't know enemy and haters and naysayers, you know. And I feel like you can't screen record me for say anything. Me real. So you won't get me I say nothing bad about X person, Y person, Z person. For you can't record me. You can't drag me in and nothing where you want me to answer to and you go splice out. It not gonna work. So no try it. So as me say naysayers and haters, don't try it. Leave me line to my real supporter them. Alright? Big up on yourself because you not gonna achieve what you want. In no way, shape, nor form. Alright? Yes. Anyway, people, you know what they do, you know, just do they do. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Remember, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, so the video can get its algorithm that YouTube can recommend the video in a wider space. The more thumbs up, the more YouTube recommend the video. And please remember to watch the ads. Alright? Yes, man. Even the comment help a lot. So if I drop one emoji, drop it. Because when your video out there and a man see your video get how much likes, and when him look him see how much comment, him want to know where you going. You understand? So no just do they do. And remember the cash app pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. Remember the young entrepreneur college student or link of our YouTube channel also pin in the comment section. Life with Gabby and Chevy. You understand? Help a young college student to help herself. She are trying her wares in a little small entrepreneur business where she make customized mugs, tumblers, necklaces, chains, ring, you name it. Anything customized with your name, whatsoever you want on it. Your beautiful color that you love, yes. Alright? And for you subscribe to our channel, just go in our description and you will see our Instagram business page. Just go on it and see what you like. And the website is there also, so you can also order. Alright, my people, I could get into business because I'm not there for long, you know, because it's only this weather time. Oh, people see the car pull long, you know, but through the weather, go slow, car pull long, you know, refurbish time for car. So, you find, say, it a work pan, but I don't really leave it at the body shop. I carry it at morning time and pick it up back at night time. Security reasons, because I don't plan to pull long my sound. So I don't want to leave it when I go my ear say this gone, that gone. Because me have no need to pull down the sound because I'm not going inside. It's just outside. You know? Yeah. So, it make sense me pull down the sound and it gonna cost me one bag of money again. Me not hype and bossy so. Anyway, as I say my people, them say social media is not a nice place. And it's really not a nice place. But when you consider it's not the social media, you know, it's not a nice place, you know. People make social media not a nice place. Just like how them would come and say money are the root of all evil. People make money be the root of all evil. And because of likes and shares and views, and because of a monthly salary from YouTube, as me always say, people will go below the belt to achieve that. Them normally they look on all and paycheck for 150,000, 100,000, 80,000, you name it. And probably 2 months back to back, them see them get 130 or 120 or 140. Them realize that views are dropping. So, in order to step up at the views, them have to go hard. And going hard without any form of consideration, that sometimes them embarrass all themselves, them shame themselves. You understand? Just to gain the views because I eat them one. Because them know when them do certain things, people will run on and attach to them page or them channel to see where I go on. You understand? So they will get the views. So them know exactly most of the times what they are doing. It's not something them do where them not aware of. They all aware of what they are doing. You have the it. You want to know the it from way down so. Me notice them. You see, they will get up today and jump on a certain individual in general, any individual in general, for saying something about a next individual. But they have no substance behind their argument. Or them don't really dissect. Them just come and play people video for content. Because them not have the qualities there. But they jump on that individual for content for that day or 2 or 3 days. You notice anytime them go up on a topic, them live on it for all 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Because that's just the way they can do it. That's the way them know to do it. Them not have no creativity in them. So them jump on a topic, somebody say something about them, whether it good, it bad, or something where you have to come make no content about, them make content about it. And them live on it for all 3, 4 days till something else comes around. Them can't create nothing else after say what them have said then and come with something else different. Them just live on it and make it look like it's a series, a mini, you know, one like a mini show, series, or one like a mini soap opera. Yeah, that's how them stay. Because of lack of creativity. Me see the princess come out with a little rare over Baker Girl channel and thing and say what she have to say. A few bloggers come out who surprise of what Princess has done. Surprise in a sense that we are not saying Miss Princess and her own big woman can't go up on pages so she want to go up on her whatsoever. And this is not all about Mountain View. Alright, make I speak for myself. When I come out the morning and do the video, this wasn't about Mountain View. The whole thing surround through Mountain View, 99, AD. No. I did that video in disgust of Miss Princess. Because of the person who she a come out come say she proud of. You proud of somebody who disgrace you. You're proud of somebody who been nickel you. You're proud of somebody who body shame you and tell you how you look and how you favor this. Somebody who you put on a dress and them come criticize your dress. Are your gala or whatever or your award show. Somebody who try to tear down your old brand. That is what I come out for. And as I said just a few weeks before, You go on her live. And she play a cat and mouse game with you. When you just jump on the live. And then she just started to embarrass you. And as I said, I don't know if I said end up in the previous one day because me just jump off of the live because I was so disgusted. So I did not do that video because the whole thing surround 99. No. Because most of you people come out and make it look like, well, as me say, me I talk for myself. People come out and talk down for Miss Princess because a 99. No, I personally never do this surrounding 99. I do this because of I see and hear what T-Girl has done to this woman. You understand? During the whole ordeal of our award show, our last award show. You understand? So that's the reason why I come out. So when the it come out on fair platform, remember now, the it. You don't know who is the it? The it. From down so. The it. Next to shit. Shit, fly, yeah. You understand? Come out. And I will come make it look as if say it all surround because a 99. Because she want to get at 99. She come out in defense like she are defending Princess. She said actually the same thing where me and most people may hear say Miss Princess her own big woman, she free to go anywhere. Yes, she free to go anywhere. You can go anywhere. But when you type and participate, that is now when you commit yourself. Because Miss Princess could have on the live. Nobody knows. If she on a different page, if she don't click into the live, where she gonna see comment around up where she the platform holder I gonna realize now say yes, she on the live. She could have on the live and I listen, she not have to comment and she not have to comment. Cause once you click where you see comment, she can tell you who on the live. So if you're a known person, she can know say you're on the live. And once you type, that simply means you're participating. And you type and participating in a matter where you giving this woman credit, where discredit you. Anyway, me hear the woman, the it, come out and she go on with herself and use the princess little Ray and talk up the things them and oh we are planka, we are yam shit and Ray and the slave master and the Ray just to go at the woman over so. But I want him she for the it for remember say she also yam shit. Because I take this thing and blow it out of proportion where the woman say she can't wrap up this and people buy it for manure. Same way. I wanna run with it like she talk like so she can't sell people it for eat. When the woman distinctly declare she can't wrap up all this in a paper and sell people for manure. She never say for eat. I wanna make it look that way there. I wanna run with the saga. And you I gonna say, yes, we are that over here. You is also that. Because remember they left all the way from where they come at town. You understand? All the way they come at town for one free one. And many other things. And you get other things. So he's also one of the eater also. Not we alone. You's also a eater too. But as me say, them take everything for make content because they are not creative. A man can't take up this little piece of paper here and fling it off of them. Just jokingly. Just jokingly. But because of who fling the paper off of them go up on them platform and say you take up one stone wrap up in a paper. Remember, not just the paper you're flinging up. And them go up on them platform and them make content out of it. And go on with themselves like say boy you did a try harm them because one big stone you wrap up in the paper for lick. And that's what this it do all the while. Only after all of that. And she come out and she use the princess argument. And she go at the woman over so a little bit. And talk up the things them. Only for hear her the next morning. Like me no know where princess come out, come must say. Both the award and the taking down of the nomination of the It and the Ray and the Blay. But all I could hear, she turned against Princess now. Oh, you're hypocrite. You're this. After you come out and you come from my live and you say, yes, I was the one who this. Now you come and tell the people them again, you start it again. Say, you take me down. Remember, you know, a few hours ago, you know, she depend that same woman side, you know. And said nothing wrong with what the woman do yesterday. And way. And she free for this and she free for that. And the following day, I that same woman here, a bite off the woman ears. So, I want you to understand what me I try to say to you. These people will go length and breadth just to get a content. Whether it necessary or relevant to come out on them platform with. Them just want to know so them do it. Them no matter the consequence, them no matter, you know, at the end of the day, how it go look on the other person. You understand? Just as though a few days or weeks ago, she and Marcia, that girl up so, Glitz have a little thing and she come out, come ball out all kind of something and information we never call for. Because at the end of the day, you, the girl, are trying to assist. But you want to put out the woman information. And this is how low these people go at people just see content. If you and somebody have a little altercation, certain things will transpire between you and them behind closed door. You don't need to come open a door and show the whole public. And then, when me and other sensible people outside standing and looking at where you open the door for show away, it never necessary. Because the whole matter of where you and the individual yes over there or around there did inner, never need for you open the door for show away nothing at all. But this is how low these people willing to go and stoop. So, people like these, you're not supposed to have no association with them. Because you never know when they will go low. Things you might say to them that you said, okay, I can't say this to her, I don't know this. They will take it and put on their platform just for views. There are certain things you have people with their own and associate with you. We're supposed to keep confidential no matter how much you and them separate friendship. It's supposed to keep confidential. That show your credential. But when you go come and you take everything, alright, me come in your yard now and me come in your yard now and I step in a little dog feces. And I say, Lord God, you can't rake up the yard. You never see that right now, me got the gate. You take it, cuss me, you go on your platform, and me come on your yard, and two me step in at this and me there, and you did come on my yard, and when you look, you see how my baby piss up my bed, and when you look, you see this, you see that, you see that. No, you don't need to do that. Me tell you something behind closed door. Because as me come in through the gate, me step in at this, and the right at the gate. Yes, I must go through the gate during the time, the ray. But me just say what me say. So you leave it there, so. If you don't like it, you just say, no, me not like what you say, you know, because you make it look like, say, when the dog fills up the place, me not clean it up. You understand? Say that to me. You don't need to take it to your platform just because you want content. You understand? No, man. So people, as me always want, you know, be careful of people. Be careful of human being. You understand? Don't have people too confidential to tell them your private business, your personal business. Keep it to yourself. Because them say anything where two person want to know secret, you know. And me know this from day one say my personal business, not even my picnic them me want to tell. Not even my woman me want to tell. To show you how much me try to be careful, although you cannot be too careful. And certain things you don't want to relate it to other persons. To that they have an understanding. So if something happen, they can know what to do, where to go. You understand? Like you picnic them are. But sometimes people make you so scared. People like all the it make you scared. You understand? So as me always I want to people, just be careful on the surrounded. Be vigilant. And be careful of people. Especially the people them want to see just want to run into you. Run into you. Them just know and them just want to run in. Them just hear of you and them just want to hin on it. No, be careful. Majority of them have a motive. You understand? Friend is not something where you buy. Friend is not something where you beg. Friend come genuinely. So if me know you today, we gradually take our time to know each other. And do what we are doing naturally. We not force to do nothing. To prove nothing to nobody. You not prove nothing to me, me not prove. We just gradually do a thing and we do a thing. And if we go out somewhere, you spend your money, me spend my money. Yes, me carry you out today, you carry me out next week. Yeah, and we gradually build that friendship. And it comes natural. You understand? But when people are going to shove on and force on and run into you for friendship, stop and check yourself. You're going to wreck yourself. Alright. Anyway, people, as you know, a long time I don't touch Kakai, you know. Long time I didn't even listen to Kakai. Kakai drop off of the radio. So I say I can't get her back a bus, yeah. Cause now she don't want a bus, she want one truck. Cause I remove all time, so she need a truck. She don't really want a bus. So me say I can't get her one truck, yeah. I come across one little video, I go and go on a little piece of it. Where she claimed to say she lifting this whole heap of box and and because of that her back a pain her, but at the same time she a ball out oh she not come on her live last night because she was under whole heap of agony, whole heap of sex, man. I tell you. I tell you, I pain up, man. I pain up. I tell you. A whole heap of sex, I tell you. And I've been lifting up a lot of box, and me and my friend, and I hire one little woman. You have whole heap of box lift up and you hire woman. You know, hire one next to woman with the man you have. You hire one woman. And you are ball for back. And have back problem. But you still a compose. So I tell you, I have a lot of sex last night. I was on a agony last night. People, I'm going to make a listener and me say so. And in the same video, I don't know where somebody got type in our comment. But 13, Matlock, she deep up on now. So, listen to what I go on.
Last night, me under heavy agony. I was having some good sex. So me couldn't come on. Laddie. Yes, sir. I was having some good loving, honey. I couldn't come on. Listen to me. Me couldn't come on. Me not too much pain, honey. Me I work too hard. And me not lift up too much things. So me couldn't come on last night. Me had a heavy pain. I must say two. And them I saw me over YouTube. I show people them. And them a doctor give me and they don't have no use. Them don't have one rated use. They like a patch them. They go up on my back. And through me I lift up the heavy thing them now. They are my friend. You know? Because you have to do what you have to do. You have to save money, you know. You must have to do what you have to do. You have to do as much as possible if you cut down. Because you know the moving truck and cars up on money. If you carry.
So, I know you have to do for save money. All of them squander where you never have. Just to prove and live high life and big life. And know you know that. And when push come to shove now you need cash. To activate your removal. You know say you have to do for save money. You should have saved it long time. You should have take the cash where you earn, the liquor where you earn and put it to good use. Instead of squandering it all over. Although it has been proven that most of those money that it seems like you were spending wasn't coming from your pocket. You understand? But your bigger money shall learn that long time. You shouldn't wait till now. As me say, we not got hear her. I tip up on a Matlock. But boy, every day we say, Curly, that's the one way you can cuss, man. That's the one way you cuss everybody. Jesus, man. Tired of this suck this and suck that, man. I want to you, man, you suck. You back juice? You lollipop? You kiska? As you nobody a cause man, woman, in our child. You depend suck this, suck that, suck this, come that, come. Big man like you, come on.
What Matlock, whatever your name is. Go stop call Matlock name. Because your Matlock go suck your blood clot, mama. And come from pussy clot page. Dirty bitch or dog shit. Go from a pussy clot page and go suck your mama. And come from page. Where you come right up on page for? Eh? Your Matlock go suck each other. Turning upside down and suck wider your dirty blood clot and come from page. Every pussy clot come on my right. You want somebody chow. Come on from my pussy clot page and fuck yourself with me this man. You come right up. Come on from my blood. Your Matlock go turn me upside down and suck my blood clot like a lollipop and juice me like a sour sap. And come on from my blood clot page.
Matlock is a woman, you know. You understand? And I can bet the person that type in the comment is also a woman. So you see what I say? This woman cause everybody the same way because she just feel like say, okay, this is the way to go. And when I do this, I attract a lot of views. Because people like when I cuss like this. You understand? Yeah. So she just see like she cuss everybody the same way.
Say wall. Come from page. Let me have nothing. Every fucking meet up people come on social media come right. Yeah? You don't go find one blood clot mongrel dog and go suck out that blood clot mongrel dog. And come from a bumble clot page, dirty bitch. And come from page. And whoever you is. Go suck yourself. And don't interfere with me. It's like me now for pain, you know. Fuck off.
So, Marcia, how put you in a whole pain? You have been lifting backs because you don't want to pay. Big celebrity like you should be paying people to lift your backs. Big deal like you should be paying people to do all that work you're doing for a female. Those who are lifting for a female. You shouldn't be the one for do all of that and you're a big deal. Plus, you have sex pantapite and you come a ball for pain now. Eh? No, sure reserve that energy them man and call in 2-man. And say, boy, come help me lift up them, yeah, man.
From my blood clot page. Motherfucker. It's like come here up a work for you. I ain't a work for pain. Come on from my bum blood clot, pussy clot page. Yeah. You come and write up about this and write up that every time see people come on them blood clot page. You come and write up. Go suck your bloody. Who give a bitch? Who give a fuck about your Matlock or whoever he is? Who give a fuck about ugly Matlock? Tell Matlock for go find one blood clot this day, man, and stop fucking boss. And that if you go tell her. Tell one Shanty 360 go turn it upside down and suck them wider. And come up from my blood clot page. Motherfucker. Don't come up and come interfere with me. Pussy wall. Don't come up and interfere with me. Me not even feel beautiful this man in Beverly. Me not like somebody interfere with me. It's very frustrating, you know. No, for real. Me sorry to my loving supporters. I mean, I really apologize now, but let me tell you something. It is very frustrating, you know.
You don't need to apologize, man. Because this is something you do every day. Day in, day out, you do it. Your supporters, them know you for this. And you know, say this is probably where 60% of who follow you want to see you do. Because this is how they feel entertained. When you're in this type of mood, this is how 60% of your people feel entertained.
Especially when you have to work for data. You know hard, you know overwhelming it is. If you go move and then you have to go move back in another place again and clean up and fix up and you have to do everything and certain things.
People say the background will get dark, the place will get darker. And this is why I want to grudge 99. Yes. And this is why I wish I could have lived like 99. You are one of them who get up every day and cuss everything she want. Johnny, pass me a glass of water there. Tina. Bring me a cup of smoothie there. Fresh. Lock the door for me, lock the grill for me. Yeah. This is why I want to grudge the woman and jealous of her. Because you would have never seen 99 do this. Should have fork out her few could change what she have and, you know, hire people to do it. You see me? And this is why I don't wish you could have in our corner. This is why I don't wish you could have afford to do what she do. And because you cannot do it, you get up and criticize her. That's why she lazy so. That's why she big and fat so. That's why she put on so much weight. Because she just sit down and all she depend on Johnny. Fresh. Tina. When you can afford to. You understand? Right now, if you could afford to, you not ball for pain. You understand? But you cannot afford to. You're jealous of somebody else who can afford to do it. You so relaxed she is. I move out and one little tattoo. I go in probably another tattoo. Or somewhere you might soon turn in a tattoo. Because same lifestyle, day in, day out. I want big old house. They on the gully side, we want to cuss every day. But yet still, you know, you should come a ball for no back pain for lift up no backside, do this or do that. She provide jobs for people so them can earn and work for them honest bread instead of I wall out them and I beg this and I beg that. You understand? I want to find problem with it. So she get up and do this and do that and do that. That's why she gets so big and fat. You are do so much and look how you look. Right now it come like one body a grow on your arm. Yes, Marcia. It look like one body a grow on your arm. People, I go and put that picture for the thumbnail. I want to look on it. So when you reach a part of the video, you want to hear me say what I say. You want to go back and want to look on the thumbnail. One body a grow on a Marcia arm. And a she come. A body shame. And a this. And I say that's why the woman I get so big and fat because everything she call people for do. You are do your one and look how you look. That you grow all one teapot on your arm. Not teapot as in teapot wake up on stove, you know. I don't know what we talk about teapot where baby have on something.
Come on. And these motherfuckers come and chat fuck your people blood clot ears. Them something frustrating. So it's very overwhelming. I don't want nobody to interfere with me. You know what it is when I have pain? And take 700 milligram, you know. Me have to call my doctor this morning if I prescribe. If I prescribe some stronger medication, you know. The way my back, my muscle pain, you know. And this motherfucker come from my blood clot pain.
Tell the doctor say you have sex last night. After lifting up all these heavy boxes. You understand? Don't go tell the doctor say you want a stronger medication to make it look like it's just the boxes. Where you lift on the medication, the milligram not working. And then them go step it up from 50 milligram to 100 milligram. When you never tell the doctor say, you have sex last night after lifting up all these heavy boxes. And that's what caused the extra strain. You understand? Remember you're 63, you know. You're not young. You're 63.
You know, you don't have enough sinting out of social media if you talk about. Go suck your daddy. You bumbo clot. That's why I don't like company, you know. Go suck your mama. You dirty pussy clot. I got you figure do.
Just suck.
And nigga girl, go suck yourself.
When you load up the van and make some suck or back juice and sell it, like how you love suck.
Go drive off in our blood clash shit house. No, but it's very frustrating. This motherfucker come up a page and I interfere people. You know what I'm come off of this Marcia. You know what people, me go about my business. Cause you know what I'm gonna be it.
You now come off. Because this is 10 minutes and 38 seconds of the live. You said this, so you repeat it about 3 times. And the live run for over 1 hour. So you're not coming off. So you can't fool nobody.
Go pick up somebody at 10 o'clock.
And see back glass,
so you know
people.
Let me go be that cover this last page. Because the only time me argue. No man, it is very frustrating. It is very frustrating. Because it's very overwhelming. Because me I tell yourself for the part.
Marcia, you have a problem to your own self. Not only the people in the social media where, you know, kind of trigger you off in a comment just because they want you go on with yourself. You is a problem to your own self. People, me I come to the end of the video where the place I get darker and darker. But it's a little part of the clip here me I go play. I want to tell me what I get from it. Me I go tell you still now, but I want to go in the comment and you tell me if you not think I see him way. This woman I feel like, you know? She loves size up and compare and compete and do as well the woman do, and then she go on like say, you know, another woman she follow most of the while, or she is the standout where people have to follow. Just listen to her, so.
He that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide in the shadow of the Almighty. Nobody come off. Me have to come off. Me have to come off because it's very overwhelming. Me have to go here now. Because me have spend money. Remember, me have something and you go by the hour. Me have spend all my money. You understand? Me have to pay people, you know, me have to pay this and me have to pay that. And that is it. So make sure people when come out, come support me. Have some sheet left and some quills. So when I come by, come remember saying I need all the money I can, you know. Because remember saying me have spend over $1,000 right now. So me have some sheet and some quilt left. So when I come support Marcia. Because this is taking a lot of money. Because right now me have it, all have something to do and it's just going to take in how much $100.
People, it come like I mix up the footage. You know, the audio. For the part I want to play. But basically what I was trying to get across is that she claimed to say she now stop jump revival and she going to jump one tonight or tomorrow. Because she offered this and she offered that. Where you think she are come with all this revival business, sir? Because the whole argument with the woman over so and Zion and she go as Zion and all kind of things are revealed. And we are as bloggers out here are saying, yes, Zion really are work. Because I see it that they must show up themselves, they must show up them colors. So she know, what if say she a jump revival and she got jump revival for them because they must this and they must that. Compare, she want compare. So she want compare for her revival with Zion. You understand? And this is what she do. She sit down and she copy the woman and turn a carbon copy and make it look like a she had the big deal. Anyway, my people, place I get darker and darker. And right now, you know, it's just what? Early time of the day, you know. It is just 12 minutes past 2. That's 12 minutes past 2 p.m. Alright? And I take a wind down and make one look. Look there. Look out there, sir. Look there. Dark. It's raining. So anyway, my people, thanks for watching again. You know what to do. Just continue to do the do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and hit the subscription button. Why continue to watch if you're not a subscriber and is a continuous watcher of the channel. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Remember, the cash app also pinned in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. Well, tomorrow I want to do the first give back if the rain hold up, because me say this man is a man who confined to a wheelchair, still don't but the woman all know. So tomorrow I'm going to do the first give back, and you know it's not going to be a live, it's going to be a video, as you know a video me deal with. You understand? So when you don't know the do, who want to do in a cash app to give back somebody, go ahead and do so. I'm not begging anybody anything. Leave up to you. And remember, the Young Entrepreneur College student link of our YouTube channel is also in our description. Go ahead and give her a subscription. Help her to help herself. She's trying her way, you know, to help herself gain some form of funds to also fund her tuition. And she's not coming out here begging anyone. You understand? By the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. So when you subscribe to our channel and help our channel to grow, reach monetization, she can earn from that. When you go over on our Instagram page and choose something that you like or something similar to make in your way, because it can make custom for you, and you hit the website and you order something, that's another way of she earning to help herself. And God same help those that help themselves. Instead of she have to sit down and wait for mother, father, sister, uncle, niece, nephew, and friends and other relatives. She have try help herself. Alright? So big up on yourself. It's a rainy day in Jamaica. whichever part of the world you know there, just stay safe. Jamaicans, whichever part of it, especially you people in the rural area, keep your eyes out and open, because you don't know some of the rural area them, yes, you don't really want the water, but if you don't get too much, you don't know landslide and you know flood and all them things, so you keep your eye open. And if you not go through the night and rain and fall, don't try to sleep right back till daylight if you know you're surrounded or you're living in. Although you have people who live in an area for all 50 years and never see certain things yet, water run through them yard or landslide around there. So you understand? 50 years. And yet still it happen after 50 years and one day. I remember these whole heap of highways and byways where them make water looking other place to channel. Because them cut off them area there with the water them used to channel. You understand? So water look other places to channel. So when you're not going to bed, you people, especially who live in the rural areas, just be vigilant of your surrounding before you go to bed. And don't sleep right back till daylight. Get up like probably every hour or so I'll do. You know, you can't call the hour you get up, by the time you have to go back and lie down, it can just happen as you go back and lie down. But at the same time, just be vigilant. Alright? Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.